100% polyester. Imported. Ultra soft kids accent pillow for bedroom decor, nap time, travel, car rides, and imaginative play. Mix and match with a variety of bedding, bath, storage and decor products from the Amazon Basics Kids collection for easy decorating. Made in an OEKO-TEX Made in Green factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Spot clean only, no bleaching. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. Super cute. Just what I was looking for. Nice and full, doesn't go flat like some decorative pillows. Great quality.